the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
Lions don't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. On the road to the riches, money sticking to my cleats. I am many feet, skin noir, darky meat. Niggas with the most opinions usually have the least. It's funny how now rappers be on they druggy shit. Downloaded my tape, sat back, study shit. Acid pack 100 hits, shroom caps and hash bricks. Trippy like that Destiny Child shit on 106. This white bitch had the fucking nerve to call me a nigga when she the one paying the surgeon for her lips to get bigger. Do you get the bigger picture? Shit is back with my nigga. You sneak dissing, taking jabs will get your boxing on. Cause you ain't get the word. I'm Glock Lesnar in the octagon. This shit is straight absurd. Do not hit me cause your life is shitty. I show no pity, you turd. You better off in the dirt. Now you better off dead like the title of my work.
So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
Every day, me and Mary Jane. You might say I'm addicted, but me, I'm truly lifted. Stone so loud, you can hear me in the crowd. Smoking Girl Scout, or sour by the ounce. Mary never cheat me. Mary not a backstabbing bitch that'll lie and deceive me. Spread it even. Hash wax in the evening. Dab or die trying on the road to Zion. Damn, they tryna stick me for my paper. They tryna take me under. I seen it through the vapors. Jealous ones still envy. Got a couple real with me. And my bitch will talk some shit and smoke the kill with me. Meet will hide the body. Enough of that though. They saying talk is cheap, so I be smiling when we meet. They screaming. Zombies out in England, but I'm on the block with Mary pushing and dreaming. I'm feeling myself. This push is minus, spitting riddles, more instrumentals. Trippy life, butter in the night. Feel my appetite, feel my appetite.
So much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
Could be your mans, or be your fan, or be your kin, pay your dues. Man, I gotta choose whether I lose or win this for a friend. Can't determine the difference. The instance they see you peeking, they pussy be leaking fluid. My nigga, what is you doing? No black in the back of a Buick. I'm proving I'm sadistic as sin as I'm making murderous music. We don't rap the same thing, nah, don't bother confuse it. So much stressing on my brain, mama think I'ma lose it. Human vagabond, hoes that stole they panties in my carry-on. Why you hating niggas acting nonchalant?
Honest, bro.
Fuck your publications that say I'm a third wheel architect. Build your mindset, stress but won't swill. Ooh yes, I smoke kill. I'm crack, you smoke grills. I pack, you dope deal. In fact, I'm so chill. I'm never off the pivot. 6 stitches to your image, not offended when you call me genius. All that means is
so much grams, unzip the bag, dip in my hand, then I palm trees. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me. So when you throw shade, it could never harm me.
La música de Harry Fraud.
Smoke something, bitch. Blow a kiss to my dick, wash my body with the sponge. Feed me flavored rices, put the chronic in my lungs. Tailor me a leather suit, on some Jodeci shit. Bi-coastal, man, we both to be rich. Lead a party with your daughter. In the morning, do karate in the water. His sounds of samurais. rockin' shorts in the winter, don't fuck with splinters. Roll with sinners, a bunch of winners, catered lunch and dinners. Why my truck jar looks so empty? Drop a hook and then I'll probably cop an M3. Long knife, that's in the event. Somebody tried to get me, then to heaven they'll be sent. Oh, off the strength, caviar and Porsche taste. All the beans are getting Boston baked. On thin ice, I skate across the lake. With the CCM tax, my feet are like cashes. Smoke premium cabbage. Blow a kiss to my dick, wash my body with the sponge. Feed me flavor rices, put the chronic in my lungs. Tailor me a leather suit, on some Jodeci shit. Bi-coastal, man, we both to be rich.
Mon moteur d'origine, nous à la version custom. Cocktail dans la limousine, tu bombais ton bus d'homme. Modèle hors norme, sous l'immeuble, dans le parking. On botte tellement fort les fesses d'MC qu'ils contractent la maladie de Parkinson.
Prêt pour le moonwalk, tire le parquet, la glisse me connaît, j'attache mes lacets, je ne sais pas chanter, mais laisse-moi tenter, ça brûle le champagne, béton la victoire, je ne suis pas sous le cocon, j'en avais dans la baignoire en baignoire, faisant la roue 6 fois pour le remettre à l'endroit et retourne m'asseoir. Repos, je nécessite de l'eau, je m'étouffe vite, j'essaye de m'exprimer correctement, tout cela n'a, mais c'est la ni queue ni tête, vie que je mène honnêtement, je ferais bien un voyage dans le temps, les années 2000, ce n'est pas notre époque, comprends.
Fly caisse dans le coffre, vous le caisse pour les profs, conteste et tu sors, je t'en vendrai l'élève, je gamberge, je tourne-moi des mecs dans le trabuge. Carnage, comptabilise, TDC, prestige. Dans l'air gravite comme un parfum de victoire dans le secteur.